Hi, my name is Brooke Kramer, and I'm a financial aid officer at Argosy University at Salt Lake City. And today we're talking about financial aid. And pretty much what financial aid is a catch-all phrase for all types of different types of aid available to you. These can come from the federal government, local government, your workplace, and also the school that you're planning on attending. Types of aid available to students are student loans, Pell Grants, other grants as well, scholarships, and tuition reimbursement possibly from your employer. To find out how you qualify or even qualify, is the best thing is to start by going to the fafsa.ed.gov website, where you complete a free application for federal student aid just to see what you can qualify, specifically in loans and in federal grants. Once you complete the free application for federal student aid, your financial aid officer will be able to tell you what you qualify for in loans and also in grants. And definitely I would suggest applying for as many scholarships as possible, since scholarships are free money and you don't have to pay those back. If you have any other questions, please feel free to check out our website at www.argosy.edu.